right, here's another thing Apple is up to. They are reportedly making a magnetic battery pack. It could be a MagSafe add-on. You know they did the wallet. You know they did the charger. And we have seen accessory companies in the past do these type of modular setups where you can buy a case from them, maybe like a battery case, and then it could have like a Pebble type wireless charger that would slap onto the back of it. I've seen this thing implemented, but never just right on the phone itself because the phones themselves didn't have the magnets on it. Well, there is a lot of talk about Apple moving beyond the port, the Lightning port, and even jumping straight over USB Type-C. And that means you need more options for power. Wireless charging is fantastic, as you're aware. But, oh yeah, by the way, he's going back to the renders because there's no port.
Yeah.
On the render, a lot of renders. People doing renders love the no port. You know what I mean? Then they don't have to render the port. And you would know because of your history rendering.
Sure, yeah. No ports. It's a big no-no.
In the rendering community, the ports are a no-no. Anyway, so this could help Apple in that march towards a portless future. They could say, everything's with the magnet anyway. If you want to plug in the wireless charger brick thing, plug that in, charge that, then slap that to the back of the phone and charge while it's in your pocket.
Yeah.
This is the idea. Now, obviously there's complications with such a thing because you're creating heat when you're charging and your pocket can already be hot. You catch me on a hot day, it's a hot pocket.
Delicious.
No, not the delicious kind.
No,
not the delicious kind. I'm saying I can heat up. I was thinking about this the other day. Maybe I was talking to Mo, maybe I was talking to Kirk about how, I'm built for this climate over here. I don't mind the cold.
Yeah.
But you catch me in the desert, you catch me in Las Vegas for the CES show, you catch me in Dubai, you catch me in India, China, etc. Yeah, it's a hot pocket. It's a hot pocket.
Yeah.
All right, and then I have to walk around in search of ice water and air conditioned
in your hot pocket.
Yes, and air conditioned premises. In which case, I don't know if you remember that time in China I was shooting that video. I think I was stripping down. I think I was removing clothing.
Yeah.
I think I might have had pants off. To be fair, did I? Or just?
I don't think so.
I think I did. Oh, you weren't there. You can't weigh in, dude.
I wasn't there. If you,
I think I was in that. I think I was in that office building, and I was waiting for ice water, which is impossible to get in Shenzhen. I'm kidding. All right, relax. And I think I was removing clothing items to try to prepare.
Well, I was probably out of the building.
Prepare myself. You probably ran away, which is a smart move. But anyway, so this is going to add some heat because you're having this power transmission. Wireless chargers create heat. So these are things you're going to have to figure out in engineering. But there was already talk of them doing a stronger magnet, if you recall, because some people wanted that. And it's a differentiating factor for them as a brand, as a phone. There's not a lot out there that has the magnet in it. So everything they can build on top of that helps them have this extra incentive to choose the iPhone and then also lock you into the ecosystem if you have all these variety of power accessories kind of exclusive to your phone.
Sure. And also you can you can share the battery pack too with your friend or family member.
So long as they also purchase
if they have an iPhone.
Apple branded goods.
Yeah.
You see how it goes, Willie?
Yeah.
You might even send them an iMessage to let them know you're about to share your MagSafe battery pack.
Yeah.
You see how it goes, Willie?
Give them a heads up.